guys, welcome back to our channel. So Gideon is here. Yeah, new hair happening here. Happened by accident, but I'll discuss that in the video where I'm trying to fix it. I'm not gonna leave it this color. But today, I just wanted to show you guys what I got at Sephora. It's nothing new. These are some of these things that I got are new to me, but there is no like new products that you guys haven't heard about or anything, or that just came out. But I actually got this, the Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. You guys know this is a must-have, especially because I don't ever go out late at night to where I need to have it all night, like when you're clubbing, things like that. But it's good to have just to put it on anytime you put on makeup, because I mean, if you're really gonna take your time doing your makeup, you might as well put on a spray that'll keep it looking fresh all day or all night or whatever it is that you're doing. So yeah, I got this, and then I also was looking for a new concealer. I still use the MAC concealers. I absolutely love them. I feel like they're super full coverage. The one that I get is super bright because I really like the brightness under my eyes, and that's the only one that I absolutely love. So till this day, I mean, I'll try new concealers. So I wanted to try a new one just to see if there's anything that I like out there, because the MAC one can be a little like super thick. So the guy when I was there helped me out, and he said that this one was a good concealer. I don't know if you guys have tried it. It's the Too Faced Born This Way. I got it in the color Snow. He said this is the color that he recommended for me. I actually did use it today. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I use it under my eyes. I mean, I like it because I tend to get creases under my eye, and it is pretty light. I like them lighter than my skin color. I don't want it to match my skin color. I do like it. I mean, I haven't just by first impression, I literally just put it on right now when I did my makeup, and I liked it. So far I'm loving it. Again, it's only been on for a couple, like maybe an hour, but I'll update you guys and see. If you guys have tried it, let me know if you like it. And then the other product that I got is, here comes my little monster trying to get my makeup up. It's an Anastasia lipstick, and I absolutely love her lipsticks. I'm actually wearing it right now. You okay? And it's in the color Rust. There it is. So I was looking for a color that was more red than purple, but kind of dark. And I have a lot of shades, but most of them are like more towards the purple. I don't really have any that are like red toned. So I thought this one was gonna be perfect. I do like it. So this is the color right here. Excuse my nails. I don't like getting my nails done. Anybody that knows me knows that. I like anything really matte. I hate gloss. I don't like lip gloss. I don't like satin lipsticks. The only times I'll buy a satin lipstick is if it's in a color that I absolutely love and they don't have it in a matte or anything similar to a matte, and then I just kind of matte it out by just putting some powder. And another product that I got from Anastasia, so normally for my liner, the top one I always use gel, just because it's easier, it's smoother to put on, and for the bottom I use pencil. But I always use a Maybelline gel liner, and I love it. It's the only one that I liked so far. I've tried different ones. I even tried the Inglot one, and I honestly didn't really care for it. And the one that I buy is like $8, so I was like, why am I gonna buy a more expensive one just because it's more expensive if it's not better? So, but I actually like, what I don't like, and I don't know if this is every gel liner, but it always, and I use it every day, and it gets hard. And I know they sell like drops that you can add in so that it'll soften it up and you can continue to use it, but I absolutely hate that. So right now, I'm actually about to finish it. I was about to finish it anyway, so I decided to buy this one. I don't know if you guys have tried it. Again, let me know if you have, if you like it. But it's in the color Jet. I believe this is the darkest one that they had. But I actually put it on right now, and that's what I have in my eyes. And I honestly feel like I need a new brush too for my eyeliner, because the one that I've literally had it for like 7 years. But it's hard to find like the right shape for me, especially because I always do like a wing liner. So I have to look for one. But so yeah, I did use it today, and I loved it. It went on so smooth. If you're somebody like, okay, so the other one that I had, because it was hard when you put it on, if I had any shimmer, if it's moving is because Gideon is climbing the stand where I have the camera. But if you have any like eyeshadow on, and then you put on a gel liner that's not that great, you'll notice that when you put it on, like it's like super faded. The line looks faded, and then you have all this glitter. Gideon, no. You have all this glitter on the brush and like no block. And you have to keep putting it on and putting it on. With this one, I have like shimmery eyeshadow. And when I put it on, it went on super smoothly. Like, I didn't have to keep dipping it. It literally, like, the first try, it went on really good. I did do a second over it just because it did have a lot of glitter, the eyeshadow that I have on. But I think it looks pretty good. And again, it went on super smoothly. That's what I really liked, that it felt like butter. Like, it just kind of went on really smoothly. So I really liked it. And then the other product that I got was this Olaplex. It's the Olaplex, the number 3. So I've seen a lot of reviews about this, and a lot of people were saying that it doesn't work and that it doesn't work. And so what I noticed was that everybody that was reviewing it was saying that they were using this as a conditioner. So when I looked up the reviews, it tells you the actual product on the directions, it tells you that you have to shampoo and condition, and it's not a conditioner. It's pretty much like a treatment. So it's not a conditioner. So I'm assuming the people that were reviewing it were putting it on and not putting conditioner over it, and it's not supposed to be, it's not meant to be used that way. So I decided to give it a try, because I've been bleaching my hair for years. I mean years, and my hair would not grow whatsoever. It wouldn't go past like my shoulder. I'm gonna read it off. It says that you can use it 1 time per week. So if your hair is not super damaged, you can use it. Like if your hair has always been dark, or if your hair is just not damaged but you just need something because obviously you strain it or anything like that, you can use it once a week on your hair. If your hair is damaged like mine, you can go ahead and use it 2 to 3 times per week. And then it says to apply on damp towel dried hair from scalp to ends, and just like saturate it completely. And it says to leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes. And it says to just rinse it, but then you have to shampoo and condition just like you normally would. And so that's what I did. Was I got in the shower, I got all my hair wet, and then I applied the Olaplex from the roots all the way to my ends. And then I left it on for about maybe 15-20 minutes, and then I washed it off, shampooed, and used the conditioner right over it, and I immediately felt the difference. So again, I've been bleaching my hair for years. So the last time that I got it bleached was I don't know if you guys saw those videos where my hair was like super orange, like my first videos. It was like super orange and white, and so that really damaged my hair. So when if you guys have ever bleached your hair or have ever had your hair like super damaged, you can tell that when it's wet, when you stretch the hair, like it stretches, like your hair will stretch literally. That's how you know it has absolutely no elasticity. So that's how my hair was when it was dry. Obviously it didn't really look that damaged. I can tell that it was damaged, but it was like, it was just so dry, so like you couldn't like really brush it, and surprisingly it kept growing, but I had to keep cutting because I didn't want to cut it all at once. So I just kept kind of cutting it every time it kind of grew. And so when I put the Olaplex on, after I got out of the shower, I immediately felt like it was softer, and it looks shinier. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super shiny. compared to how it was. And it was after, and I've only put it on once. It was just one time because I bought it last weekend, so I tried it on right after I dyed my hair. So yeah, you guys, I tried it one time and my hair's it just feels so much better, and it's not stretchy anymore. Like, in shock, because I'm one of those people where I've tried every mask, you know, like cheap masks, super expensive masks, so many different treatments, and nothing has worked. I mean, there's some masks that, you know, did work, but after a certain time, like, you keep using it and it kind of stops working. So I really wanted to try it. So if you guys haven't tried the Olaplex, I would absolutely recommend you getting it. I did get it at Sephora. Bleached hair, I would say do it and just try doing it and leave it on for, if you can leave it on for longer than 15 minutes, go ahead and do it. I just didn't have the time because I was in the shower. But I would say leave it on for longer. I'm gonna try leaving it on for 30 minutes next time, and then I'll update you guys if you want to know how that went. But yeah, definitely recommend to try it out. Again, my hair is super shiny, super manageable. Ooh, it's just so red. I don't know if I should keep it like this. I'm just not a fan of having red hair because I feel like whenever it's red, it's hard to do your makeup a certain way. Like, if you want to, like, I don't know, you know how it is, like, you have like certain colored hair, like the clothes that you wear sometimes looks different. I don't know, maybe it's just me, I don't know. Anyways, guys, that is all I got from Sephora. If there's any product that you guys want me to try or review, just let me know. Let me know if you guys have any other recommendations that you want to see. Let me know what you think about the hair, if I should go brown instead of this red, if I should just go, I don't want to go lighter at the moment, but we'll see. But anyway, my little monster is getting upset, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go, and then I'll try to have another haul soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.